Looking for the best electric salt and pepper grinder but not sure which one is actually worth buying? In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best electric salt and pepper grinders you can get right now. I'll break down ease of use, grind consistency, battery life, and overall build quality so you can find one that actually makes cooking faster and more convenient. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Rechargeable automatic salt and pepper shakers, kitchen appliances with external adjustable coarseness, larger hopper for cooking, home gifts. If you're looking at a rechargeable electric salt and pepper grinder set, you're basically choosing one of the most popular upgrades in modern US kitchens. In the American market, these are best known for one-handed convenience, rechargeable batteries, and consistent grind control, especially for people who cook frequently and want speed without effort. In real US homes, this kind of grinder shows up in busy kitchens, meal prep routines, backyard barbecue setups, and even weeknight cooking. Think about seasoning chicken while your other hand is handling raw meat. This is where electric grinders actually make a difference. You don't need to twist anything. Just press a button and season instantly. The biggest strength here is convenience and consistency. Most rechargeable models use a ceramic grinding core with adjustable coarseness, so you can switch from fine salt for eggs to coarse pepper for steak. That level of control matters more than people think, especially for American cooking styles where seasoning can make or break a dish. Another major advantage is rechargeable power. Instead of constantly swapping AAA batteries, you just plug it in. Many models can last weeks on a single charge, which is a big deal for daily use. Number 2. Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Automatic battery pepper mill shakers. Adjustable coarseness. Upgraded larger capacity with LED home and kitchen appliances. Birthday gifts for women mom. If you're looking at the battery-powered version, you're going slightly more basic, but still getting the same core experience. In the US market, these are best known as budget-friendly, plug-and-play electric grinders. In real-world US use, these are common in family kitchens, casual cooking setups, and even as gifts. They're especially popular because you don't have to worry about charging, just drop in batteries and start using them right away. The biggest strength here is simplicity. No cables, no charging, just install batteries and go. Many models also include gravity activation, meaning you just flip the grinder upside down and it starts automatically. Another advantage is that they still offer adjustable coarseness and LED lighting, so you're not losing core functionality compared to rechargeable versions. But here's the trade-off, and this matters. Battery-powered models come with ongoing maintenance. You'll eventually need to replace batteries, and depending on usage, that can get annoying. Some users also report inconsistent battery life or performance drops as batteries weaken. From real user experience, cheaper battery grinders can also suffer from weaker motors or clogging over time, especially if used heavily. Backhand index pointing right. Who should buy this? US buyers who want simple, ready-to-use grinders. Occasional cooks or casual users. People buying as gifts. Number 3. Thermomaven Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. 110 ml larger rechargeable automatic salt and pepper mill grinder with 6 adjustable coarseness, electric salt and pepper shakers, LED, 2 packs. If you're looking at the Thermomaven grinder set, you're stepping into what many US buyers consider the upgrade tier of electric grinders. In the US market, this model is best known for one standout feature: larger capacity than most competitors, combined with rechargeable convenience. In real American kitchens, this matters more than you think. Most electric grinders are small and require constant refilling, which gets annoying fast, especially if you cook regularly. This model holds around 110 milliliters, which is significantly larger than typical grinders, meaning fewer interruptions during cooking. Another big advantage is the USB-C rechargeable system. You charge it once and use it for weeks, which is a big upgrade over battery-powered models that die at the worst time, like mid-recipe. It also uses a ceramic grinding mechanism with 6 adjustable coarseness levels, so you can go from fine seasoning for eggs to coarse pepper for steak. In real US use, this is perfect for home cooks who meal prep, grill outdoors, or cook multiple times a week. Anyone wanting a rechargeable, long-term solution. Backhand index pointing right. Who should not buy this? Casual cooks who rarely use grinders. People who prefer ultra-lightweight tools. Backhand index pointing right bottom line. This is a high-capacity, everyday-use grinder built for convenience and consistency. Number 4. Circle JOY Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Automatic salt and pepper grinder set with LED light, battery-operated, adjustable coarseness, large capacity, for home kitchen barbecue. If you're looking at the Circle JOY Gravity Grinder, you're going for maximum ease of use. In the US market, gravity grinders are best known for one thing: hands-free operation. In real-world US kitchens, this is extremely useful when you're multitasking. You simply flip the grinder upside down, and it starts automatically, no buttons, no twisting. That's especially helpful when you're cooking things like stir-fries, sauces, or grilling outdoors where one hand is already busy. The biggest strength here is convenience. For people with limited hand strength or anyone who cooks frequently, this can feel like a major upgrade. In fact, electric grinders are often recommended for users who want to reduce hand strain or simplify cooking tasks. It also includes adjustable coarseness and LED lighting, so you still get control over your seasoning. But here's the trade-off. This is battery-powered, which means ongoing maintenance. You'll need to replace batteries eventually, and performance can drop as batteries weaken. Also, gravity activation can sometimes trigger accidentally if stored improperly. Backhand index pointing right. Who should buy this? US users who want the easiest possible operation. People with limited grip strength. Casual cooks and barbecue users. Backhand index pointing right. Who should not buy this? Heavy daily cooks. Anyone who dislikes replacing batteries. Backhand index pointing right bottom line. This is a convenience-first grinder, super easy, but not the most efficient long-term. Number 5. Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Electric rechargeable salt and pepper shakers. Stainless steel with USB-C dual charging base, upgraded large capacity, adjustable coarseness, LED light, ideal for mom. If you're looking at a USB-C dual charging base grinder set, you're going for a more premium, organized kitchen setup. In the US market, these are best known for combining charging convenience with countertop aesthetics. In real American homes, this type of grinder is often used in modern kitchens where organization and presentation matter. Instead of plugging each grinder individually, you place both on a charging dock, similar to how electric toothbrushes or kitchen gadgets are stored. The biggest strength here is charging convenience and consistency. You always know where your grinders are, and they're always charged. This is especially useful for people who cook daily and don't want to deal with dead batteries or loose cables. You also get the standard features: adjustable coarseness, LED lighting, and larger capacity, so performance is comparable to other rechargeable models. But here's the honest downside. These setups take up more counter space, and they're less portable. You're committing to a fixed setup rather than something you can easily move around. Backhand index pointing right. Who should buy this? US buyers with modern kitchens. People who want a clean, organized countertop setup. Frequent cooks who want always-ready grinders. Those are my picks for the top 5 best electric salt and pepper grinders. Some are better for everyday quick use, while others offer more control and premium build quality. It really comes down to how often you cook and what features matter most to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.